you sure the Paw Patrol wanted us to play hide and go seek here?
Yeah, it sure is spooky here.
What are you doing here, Romeo? We don't want any trouble.
I'm not trying to cause trouble, guys. I promise. I just want to play hide and seek too.
Okay. We believe you. You're welcome to play with us.
I agree with the assistant, Romeo, as long as you're not trying to cause trouble. Since it's so spooky here, why don't we make the hide and seek a little bit spookier?
Great idea!
But how do we make it spookier? Oh, guys, I think I can help with that. Stand still.
Whoa, this is so cool, and I look so spooky.
Okay, you guys go hide, and I'll wait for the Paw Patrol to get here. Ooh, I am super spooky. Where shall I hide? I've got it. Oh boy, nobody will find me up here. This is gonna be the best game of hide and seek ever.
Where should I hide? I know the perfect place.
Rubble on the double. Why did we pick this place again? I think I agree with Rubble. This place sure is spooky. What was that? Romeo, what are you doing here? We sure don't want any trouble. I promise, I don't want to cause trouble. I just wanted to play with you guys. All right, Romeo, as long as you don't want to cause trouble. Yeah, Romeo, and where are the PJ Masks? Guys, they're already hidden. See if you can find them. Okay, let's split up, everyone, so that we can find them faster. Split up? Don't worry, Rubble. It's not that spooky. We'll be back together in no time. Ooh. Let's get this over with. Okay, Sky, you can do this. Hello? I wonder if anyone's home. I'll try and knock on the door. No, Sky, pull yourself together. You want to win this game of hide and seek. I wonder if I should fly up top to get a better view of everything. Here I go. Wow, I can see everything from up here. Hey, what was that? I think I see something red. I bet it's Owlette. Oh, Owlette, come out from wherever you are. Oh no, Sky, you found me. Boo. Oh, this is so spooky. Oh. Hello? Ooh. What was that? I'm getting out of there. Nothing spooky's gonna get me all the way up here. Boo. Arf! I'm all fired up. If there's someone to be found, I'm gonna find them. Good thing I'm a fire dog. I'm not scared of heights. I'm not scared of anything. Ooh. Wow. What was that? That's better. I'm not scared, but I'll just hide in here to be safe. Boo. Hello? Come out wherever you are. What was that?
Jeez, I see you.
Assistant? Is that you? Did you find them? We found them all right, but they were super.
Boo!
Ah! Gotcha! We turned the PJ Masks and the assistant into spooky characters. What? Yup, watch this, Chase. I'll turn him back. Awesome! Wow!
Woo! Back to being spooky free. People at home, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Hi everybody! Today Dr. Halloween and I are going to be cooking up some spooky potion surprises! Let's get started! So Dr. Halloween, what should we make first?
Well, Mickey, I thought first we could add some sugar to our potion. Yes, just a bit of sugar. Oh no, Mickey! Have I scared you already, Mickey? Stay on your toes. Alright, oh, so delicious. Now, yes, mix it around and make sure it's very good. Yes. Now, I must add some red Play-Doh. Yes. Yes, just a bit of red Play-Doh. And some blue Play-Doh. Yes, Mickey. Wait to see what this will be. Yes, blue Play-Doh and rub it in. Okay, and now I must add a couple of jewels. Look at that red jewel, it's so beautiful. Nice. One more thing, we must stir it up. Yes, yes. Give it a few stirs.
Oh, nice Doc, good stirring!
Yes, and the last thing is we have to add some lightning.
Ooh, lightning, how electrifying!
And voila!
Oh boy, I can't wait to see what our spooky potion's made!
Go ahead and find out, Mickey. Yes. Look it.
Oh, look, Doc, it's a ring pop! You want to try it on?
Of course I do. I would love to see what I have created. What color will it be?
I don't know, Doc.
I cannot wait to see. Oh, green, my favorite color. Yes, it looks so good on my hand. Oh, it is very fashionable and it's very tasty too.
Okay, Doc, let's cook up our next spooky potion surprise.
Okay, Mickey, what do you want to add to our potion?
Well, I love those PJ Masks kids, so let's add them. And how about a little bit of spice?
Okay, Mickey, here's 1. Here is 2. And here is 3. Now we add a little bit of spice. Yes. Very good spice. Very good. Yes, Mickey.
Oh, looks good, Doc. So, are we stirring it up?
Yes, very good, Mickey. Now stir it up.
And don't forget the lightning.
Oh, right. Add some lightning. And now our potion is ready.
So, Doc, what did we concoct?
It's Romeo from PJ Masks.
Whoa, Dr. Halloween, that's so cool.
Hey, what am I doing here? I have to go finish making my robot ghost machine.
Okay, bye, Romeo.
Okay, Dr. Halloween, what are you going to add to the spooky Halloween potion this time?
I think I'll add some white Play-Doh. Yes. Oh, yes, white Play-Doh. Yeah. And I will add some fluff. Yes. Fluffy. for the last things, equal part cuteness. Ah, yes, cuteness. And spiciness. Oh, yes.
Well, Doc, I think I have a good idea of who you're making in that spooky Halloween potion.
Yes, Mickey, so let's stir it up. I must add some lightning. And voila, it's done. Go ahead and take a look.
I think it's gonna be Snowball from The Secret Life of Pets.
Hey, what y'all do? I was in the middle of a Flush Pets mission. Liberation forever, domestication never.
Wow, Doc, that was so much fun making some cool spooky Halloween potions.
Yes, Mickey, we created a tasty ring pop. And Romeo. Yes. Yes, and we also created that spicy little snowball. Yes, people at home, what was your favorite thing that we created today out of our magical cauldron?
And for more spooky videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. And if you really love this video, then give it a big thumbs up. And today's spooky spelling word is Romeo. R-O-M-E-O, like Romeo from PJ Masks. Make sure you type that in the comments below. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!